Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into restore. 9 verbs with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Reconstruct, which means reorganize something. Reconstruct. For example, the building had to be substantially reconstructed. Number 2. Mend, which means repair something that is broken or damaged. Mend. For example, workmen were mending faulty cabling. Number 3. Refurbish, which means renovate and redecorate something, especially a building. Refurbish. For example, millions of pounds are needed to refurbish the conference and exhibition halls. Number 4. Repair, which means restore something damaged, faulty, or worn to a good condition. Repair. For example, faulty electrical appliances should be repaired by an electrician. Number 5. Renovate, which means restore something old, especially a building, to a good state of repair. Renovate. For example, the hotel has been completely renovated. Number 6. Rebuild, which means build something again after it has been damaged or destroyed. Rebuild. For example, they must have spent a colossal amount rebuilding the stadium. If you liked the video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for similar videos.